Hi guys, welcome. After a day of programming, let's have some fun. There was somebody who asked, Eric, you have such a nice little thing there at the bottom in one of my videos, and he thought it was a conch. He said, no, it's just simple plasma and it's a widget. So let me show you that particular widget. So add widgets, right mouse click, add widgets, super simple, and there is a lot of them here. And some of them you can change a little bit, right? Configure it a little bit. So see what interests you, what might trigger you, and say, okay, I'm gonna try that. And that's great. I think I typed CPU and I got choices, well, if you wanna monitor your CPU. And don't forget, there is so much more to get from the internet, but by default, it already has a nice one. That's this one. So that's the one I had displayed at that particular moment in time. So you drag it from left to right. It's now here. You can't move it unless you click on it and keep clicking on it. Then everything becomes volatile or movable, right? And you put it somewhere on your screen. Now I love the color, so no need to do that. But in Visual Core, I had changed something. Configure system monitor sensor right mouse click. And then I went into, well, whatever the developer supplies you. You can't make anything that's not, create anything that's not there, right? I think I said something like me, myself, and I, right? I think it was this. One moment, dear, one moment. I'm gonna pause. And voila, she's gone. So me, myself, and I, you apply it, and there it is. And some more things, bar chart, line chart. I have never taken the time to look more, because I actually liked what I saw already, but there is more. Application table. Okay, let's have a look at all of them then. Apply. Yeah. And then bar charts, apply. This is the one I think was default. Was nice. I like this. This is not okay. You can make this bigger and then you see everything, but I don't want to see process tables. I'll check them if I need them, right? Text only, why not? And the horizontal bars. Not bad either. But there's of course a lot of movement going around, so if you don't like that, it's really up to you to see what you like. I believe this one was what we had. And then the bar chart details, show this, show that, show grid lines, show X, I, Y label, automatic data range, all kind of things, sensor displays. They're all there, the boys, and a keyboard shortcut and about. And that's it, right? So just introducing widgets, and one of them, because of the question somebody made on YouTube, say, that's nice. That's this one. All right, cheers.